Hello Stampers, Kelly Acheson at stampinUp.com coming to you from Menasha, Wisconsin. I have a quick little tip to share with you that I have found very helpful in my own stamping storage. So our 6x6 packs of Designer Series paper come wrapped in plastic, and it's not a real heavy duty plastic. So what do? Once you open this up, I usually take and slit one end, and then you have your paper. But this doesn't last very long because it's not a real thick plastic and it's not real sturdy. So I decided I needed to find a better way to store my 6x6 packs of paper once I opened them up. I have a great solution for you, and it's repurposing, so I think you're gonna love it. Here's what I did. So we have a couple different sizes of dies. When you order a set of Stampin' Up! Dies, there are dies that are very big. This is a big square packet of dies, and then we have the smaller ones. You're gonna save the envelopes off of the bigger ones. Let's see if I can get into here. Gotta be smarter than the packaging, right? So what you're gonna do on these big envelopes, and I don't happen to have any left on my cases, but don't throw the big envelopes away, because these are the perfect solution to storing your 6x6 Designer Series paper. The adhesive strip allows you to open and close them. Your 6x6 papers fit in here perfectly. And I like to take the label and cut it off, which is exactly what I did here for my Garden Impressions. I cut the label off and put it right in here so that I can read which colors of cardstock match this paper. So that's what I've done, is taken the envelope off of the big framelits or thinlit packs and stored my Designer Series paper in it. And I've got that, I've got the wood grain here, I've got the in color 6x6 all in an envelope from my framelits. Don't forget, Designer Series paper, we have several of our different packets, including these two that are buy 3 get 1 free for the month of July. That's an $11 value for free. I absolutely love this paper, and of course the wood grain paper is always useful. You can see that I have used a ton of mine here. It keeps all the little pieces in here, and I love that about these packets. So thanks so much for taking a little time out of your day today to watch my video. I really do appreciate it. Click on the like button if you're on YouTube. You can click right here. It'll take you to my blog. You'll find all the details, and I will have the link that shows you all the Designer Series papers that are buy 3 get 1 free for the month of July. If you need to place an order, I always appreciate your orders. You guys have a great Wednesday. Bye-bye.